god, there's like 8 of them on me right now for what?
We'll see that.
Alright,
Am I screen sharing? Now watch me boss race. These kids cannot run one. I mean 1v2. Look, they're gonna lose a 1v2. All you gotta do is take care of the shittiest guy first. Oh, okay, I guess I'm gonna win. What the fuck, Ross? Ross, what the fuck? Ross, what's happening? Ross, what are you doing?
I'm so dead.
You said you never gave one?
Nah, he didn't give me one.
Nah, I'm just bossing him. Look at my screen right
Back. I'm about to be in depth on 3 different accounts. And I'm gonna laugh if I die in all of them. White.
Look at this Vamp Shoto kid, he's so fucking ass.
Bro, if anything, I'll join on my shadow account. I'll just reset because I'm at least.
Oh my lord, they're so bad.
And then if what you said, Stan, is true, I'll just pay close to get me out just in case.
Oh my lord.
He said depending on how many rounds you have.
These guys cannot run one.
I'm running back down the docks right now.
Oh my god, he sucks!
Yo, your Lancelot is here.
Okay, I'm gonna run away Reaper this kid.
I Reaper him, I have Reaper,
Okay. Nah, I'm gonna grip him myself.
what the fuck this bot is, bro? I'm hopping on any level 60 power bell. I don't
Oh my god!
He lost a 1v4. There's no shot.
You won?
I'm in debt.
Yeah, I won. I gripped the Vamp Shoto kid.
Yo, Lancelot is here trying to
Get out the race on.
Yo, I gotta win. There's no way. Yo!
Is anyone gonna help me?
I don't need nuts.
Hey, I'm getting on a backfield.
What?
I have a
Yo,
failure.
Are you looking at my screen right now? Why? Where's everyone at?
Well, I'm gonna just try and get out of depth on all
Yeah, I'm not
my
spinning if no one's. I'm already like winning this shit, bro. I'm not
Bro, there's 7 of them. Not even, there's more. And then the real Lancelot came on killing people.
I'm so low. Okay, I reaper this kid. He said Lancelot. Wait, Lancelot's helping. Lancelot's helping.
The real Lancelot?
Yeah, the real one. The real one.
Yo, they changed the depth stuff. Like, honestly. What's different?
I'm literally shit on everyone here. Where's everyone? Please join. I'm winning.
Again, I'm trying to put this finisher ring on my
Yeah, just let me get out of the depth scan. If I can.
Oh my god. He's gonna get a boss. He's gonna get a boss with it. There's no shot.
Yo, there was an owl right there. Oh, I just got shit.
Oh my lord.
I did shit.
You're
I
dead.
can't.
Oh, okay, scared. He's an exploiter for parry. He's not allowed to carry, and you guys are not allowed to heal.
So we're not
Last
allowed.
resort for us. So garbage. Please quit the game.
Yo, why do people even get last resort? It's like you're exploiting because you can tell how much HP there are.
Oh, who was these monkeys? Who are these random monkeys?
You do more damage with it? Oh,
It's
nice.
a clutch up.
Bro, I haven't fought in Force.
No way they disabled my mantis. I hate everything. I don't think that's very nice for my main system.
Hold on, what did you say?
I forgot to run out of armor and I'm gonna be like getting one shot.
Where are you?
Stop! Okay, well this is good. Oh my lordy.
Oh my, what do you want?
Oh my goody. Oh. Stop being an NPC and tearing my shit. Oh well, I'm the one that's not tearing actually. I'm an NPC.
You're running one. You're good.
I have no armor or exo right now. Look at
They're
the
not
bottom of
gonna
my
let
screen.
me.
You see the bottom of my fucking screen? I take 5 billion damage at M1.
They're not gonna let him keep running the runs.
I was gonna beat somebody. What? I'm out of here. Who fucking hit me with 50 grand challenge? I'm running out of here. I've been fighting too much.
Oh, your friend is flourishing me!
Yeah,
Oh
nah.
my god, I just took 4 bars from that. Your friend is a bum, bro.
You said whelp? Kill yourself, bro.
Bro, tell
my
your friend,
God.
tell your friend in clones that tell your friend in Trace I said thanks, bro. Cause he
Why?
just did more damage to me than he did to the other kid. Caught me in a wall, and he just kept on comboing.
Regen my armor.
Endlessly. By the way, I'm getting 2v1.
Look at these stats, bro.
Uh-oh, 3v1. Oh, never mind, Chase leaders.
They're so dumb. I have 69 pounds. Okay, well,
Nice,
still...
bad. You just lost a 2v1.
Hey!
Nice.
Why are you at that account?
Cause it's fun.
Oh, my God.
Alright, yo, I'm out of depth on one of my accounts.
Same.
Yo, I remember that time I was lagging so bad that I literally got to 1% in this versus fight.
Oh my god, this dagger does way too much.
Do you guys still need me to return, or no?
Yes,
Yes, he had a possible.
Scan, I'm dead. Scan, you're javelin.
Where are you?
On the beat.
Oh my lord.
I'm gonna read
He's fighting like so many actually just this one kid. I don't know how I'm supposed to.
Yo, what's the server name again?
Cause I just took a bunch of damage trying to kill you.
What's the server?
That's close. I'm trying to. Because that.
Rough.
Chasing dagger, and he's shadow.
Holes, what's the server?
I
can
left!
It's
Oh.
running. It's a horrific mention almost.
Okay.
Is this Metamancer too scared to do right now? Yeah.
Nah, but if Pose isn't coming back, then nobody else is spinning other than you. And you wouldn't spin if Pose and me aren't coming.
Well, who the fuck cares about pulls now?
Fuck you, bitch.
Bro, there's like 10 of them we lost.
What do you mean? They're literally all gone right now. Look at the server list. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright.
4 trace kids in the server.
I brought
Oh.
back.
Like we
Bro,
already
the
won. I don't know what you
kids
want.
are helping us.
They are. Look at. Yo, you're an NPC. You're an NPC. Look at my screen share. You're fucking.
Screen sharing.
Really?
Latch is an NPC, he's bad.
Hey, look. You already won. Look at my screen.
You're so good, bro. Yeah, you're so good at it, bro.
We already fucking won, bro. I don't know what you're on.
So good at the game.
Bro, in the 30 seconds it took me to reset, you guys beat me. Like,
That's cause you guys just.
What did I do?
I'm not talking to you, bro. Don't worry.
there's more?
Oh,
No, they're definitely not spin back after this trade.
Oh, nah. Yo, who's the kid
Even
with the
Easton
curved?
is your W, bro. Hold on.
Yo, there's another clone kid. He just rejoined.
Really? They're still trying to spin. They were
Yeah,
already
there's-
losing us 3v fucking 10.
I'm fighting the clone kid up. Yeah. Follow me, little boy. Follow me.
Bro, What? That's so fucking weird. Why'd you say that? You said follow me, little boy, follow me. No, that's actually,
Yo, that's good.
that's crazy. That's clip. Alright, once everyone.
I'm lagging!
Press my dislike.
You just say you're gonna leave?
Yes, because we're already basically won. And you guys were
Bro,
already
I
gonna
think
leave when I was boss winning the shit out of them, bro.
I won though, bro.
Shut the fuck up. You suck, bitch.
Yo.
I know
Hey,
I
don't
do.
say that about.
You're low, bro. You're low, bro.
But you're not
man.
real. I know I'm ass. I don't play this goddamn game every day.
You're ass. Neither do I.
Bro, I legit started playing this game. Again today. I'm not talking about little bro.
Oh, I'm so lucky. That run
Real.
boy, that's
How long was the break?
You lost.
How long was the break?
they're still trying to spin back.
You lost.
No. How long was the
Nah,
break?
he
How long
got
was the
that,
break?
bro.
Tell
That
me.
kid.
You lost.
How long was the break? How long was the break?
Yo, chill the
4
fuck
months?
out.
4 months? Nah. 4 months? Nah.
You did not have a 4-month break. You literally have an
don't matter.
Inquisitor sword.
Inquisitors don't. Bro, I'm a medium.
I know you were saying shit about like fucking. Bro,
And a shatter katana.
plus 4 months should
I
be as
have
old as my oldest character, which is 63 months. 63 years. I'm 63 years old though.
Glad you lost to me while I was using a scimitar.
Bro, you play this game more than me. Like, fuck.
Rio just
You
like
were better than me? You were better than me when I
Yes,
actually played this game a
yeah.
lot.
Rio like started playing again like
Yeah,
Not a few days ago. 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago,
a week
Yeah.
ago.
a week ago.
2 weeks ago. Week and a half.
Oh, look at
I said all that. And Rio was better than me at this game when I actually played this game a bit.
Do I grip Tracer there? Okay, they already got this back.
I'm gonna grip you, Iro.
I'm gonna go for my this slide. Goodbye, monkey.
Hey, yo, bro, I got a question. How'd that